Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Guitar. Myself Arun. Today we will learn the Pallavi part of the song Srivalli from the movie Pushpa. So there are many languages. The same song is been dubbed in Malayalam, Tamil, Kannada, and even in Hindi as well. So you can learn the same song in any language by seeing this tutorial. Hope you can learn from this video. Thank you. So the song will start from the note in third string, which is this one. This is E, third string, ninth fret. So third string note E, that position is ninth fret, third string ninth fret. Then immediately play the note in the second string 12th fret, which is B. So that many number of times we need to play the note B. La la na 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 na. Na 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 na. So that note is A, B, A, G sharp. A, B, A, G sharp. So the position is 10th, 12th, 10th, 11th. So if you play all those things together, it will be so again we need to play the same pattern. Next is na 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 na. That is 10th fret, 12th fret. So 10th, 10th, 12th. Okay, that is A, B. So A, B, A, then G sharp, F sharp, G sharp. Position is 9, 7, 9. Two times we need to play that pattern. So if we play all those things together, it will be again na 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 na. So that note we need to play in the third string. Third string, 9th fret, 11th fret, 9th fret, 8th fret. Note is E, F sharp, E, D sharp. E, F sharp, E, D sharp, E, and then we need to play Teri Chalak Sharaki. So in Malayalam, Kaiyil Karpura Deepapu. So that is we need to play in the first string, that is very high pitch. So the notes are in 12th fret, E, E, that is 12th fret, 12th fret, Kaiyil na na ta na na. So 5 times we need to play this note in the 12th fret of first string. Na 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 na. Deepamo or Sharfi. So that is E, F sharp, G sharp. Srivalli. So that Srivalli is Srivalli is G sharp, F sharp, G sharp, and then A. Srivalli. That is Srivalli. Kaadil Kalyani Raga. So that part is Kaadil, 12th fret, 10th fret. So these notes are played in the first string, okay. So note fret position, it is 12, 10, 9 and 7. By note wise, it is E, and this is D, this is C sharp, this is again D, then C sharp and B. So again, so that part is there. So that small change is there. These all notes are same. So instead of G sharp, we used to play B. So this is B. And we stop at G sharp. So and next that bit part is there. And that note is in first string 12, 14 and 16, fret number 12, 14, 16, and of course fret number 11, okay. So 12, 14, 16 and 11 fret number. And this is B, high pitch. So this way we can play this bit part of this Srivalli song. So I hope you can now learn this song on your guitar. Happy learning. Thank you.